because I'm sorry. The polio is late out. It's 20 o'clock. Napilitan ako magtawag ng preso dahil doon sa nangyari sa site Rosa. Alam mo kasi, nobody's talking about the incident with strong, but something that would convey to the public of the anger of the parents at bakit ganon ang marami tao doon ang gobyerno sa Manila. I am talking now as a mayor. Outside of Davao City, I'm just a civilian. So I am addressing myself to the police and law enforcement as a mayor and as a citizen of this republic. Karaming tao dito, PDEA, then the police community. Sali-sali nga sila lahat yan. There is the national team and there is the local of Pasay. How come nakalusot yung province? It's a failure of intelligence. Alam nila na yung mga rap-rap concert na yan. Alam ninyo, usually, basta yung mga banda-banda, hindi naman lahat. Kung yung concert, pagka ganon, marami talagang pasahan ng problema. May mga gago talaga yun. And I'm just guessing if it was really that the banda that was passed onto everybody caused the death of the young elder. Nasaan ang NBI, ang anti-drug nila, or whatever that agency is called? Saan yung police? Saan ang PDEA? Bakit ganon karami ang namatay? Kung sabihin mo lang isa, dalawa, well, it's just for about one death. And we can attribute it to something just a bad luck for him. Bakit karaming patay mo? 5, tapos pinagpapasahan ng droga. I do not think that it would be beyond the mere observation of the intelligence. If they are there and mix it with the crowd and do their work. So yan ang problema dyan. The law enforcement has failed. I said I am not really the one person who should be talking like this. But maybe kayong lahat, inshallah, God willing, kung abot ako ng June 30th, no time. Siguro pagkagabi niya, mag-usap tayong lahat. Saan ang pera ng tao? To intelligence and operation. At yung mga katrabaho, you are paid to do or to prevent those incidents to happen. I am at a loss kung bakit nasa ganun karami pinagpapasahan and it was reported that there was one corner of the place where the drugs were being distributed, apparently sold, and it escaped the attention of the law enforcement authority. It is unacceptable. Kasi alam naman ninyo, we cannot prevent people from crowding into an assembly for whatever purpose. Itong mga entertainment, mga drugs, malapit talaga ang droga dyan. And any grade 1 sa intelligence will tell you, yun ang, that's the market. That is the market of the drug. Kaya siguro, para Alam mo kasi, kaya mga pulis, maraming bakante dito sa, palit ka lang kayo. Kayo mga taga Compostela Valley, Surigao, ilagay ko kayo sa, kung ako ang president. Tapos, kayong mga taga Manila dito kayo. Or you might want to be the station commander sa Pulo. Lahat kayo. Ay ako, hindi ako mag-move ng ano. You can ask anybody from the city government. When I reshuffle, I do not reshuffle officers. Lahat from the chief of office down to the janitor. Sa kayong mga gwardiya ng Muntinlupa, maraming assignment dito sa Iwahig, dito Canaba, dito sa Davao Penal Colony kasi malapit doon ng grupa ng mga NPA. We would like to siguro maybe practice with them. There will be a massive reshuffle. So I'm putting notice down to everybody. Lahat kayong taga Muntinlupa, you ship out. Be ready. Magbalot na kayo. Tapos yung mga taga-Iwahig, nagluluto naman siya po dito kayo sa Manila para mas dali kayong exterminate. Exterminate na rin ako ng daga. Isa ko na kayo. Sigurado yan. There will be a massive movement. Not only one to ganon wala, pati generals, reshuffle and police. Hindi pa ako, so I'm just being the messenger. I'm not threatening you, but I'm going to do it. I will ask the police, Bato, and maybe we'll ask the army to, for a while to do the task of guarding the prisoner. Pag-isipan ko muna kung saan kayo ilagay. But I'd be sleeping on it tonight. Wala kasing lumalabas na official na being outraged by 5. Tapos nagtutukan ng utok ng mga bata. Utok, Bisaya. Because of depression. It was really a deadly mix. It was a deadly mix intended to kill people. Pagka yung after pati down and pagkala mo, then the mood changes. The brain would never know where to go. Because hinaluan mo ng downer, pasukan mo ng upper, so it goes one inside the brain of a human being. And that is what happened. Kaya lumaki yung utak, hindi niya alam kung how to respond now to the chemicals that were inside his brain cell. Pasay. Kaya mga pulis sa Pasay, saya want the intelligence ninyo and yung unit ninyo. There will be massive movements of people in government. Lahat, NBI pati police. The army so far is fairly doing good. I'm satisfied. Wala masyadong hostilities ngayon because I was talking to the initial ng NDF, Fidel Abgawili was here last night. We talked for about 3 hours. We agreed on the framework of how to proceed with the peace talks. Whether sa Del Elena. And maybe in God's good time, I told Fidel that mayroong panahon dadating sa atin na we'll have to stop talking about being left or being right. Yan lang naman ang gusto ko sa buhay rin bago rin ako matatapos. Before I make my exit. And also that we have to stop talking about the Moro and the Christian and the Luma. We can simply call ourselves Mindanaoan. Maybe I will go to Polo. Kasi sabi kasi ng MNLF, in-snap sila. I am very sorry to say that hindi talaga namin ginawa yan. But just to prove a point that I am really interested, that you might have lost some steam. Kung sabi ninyong na-snap, so believe me, I don't do that. I was there for 21 hours during the first day. I tried to follow and talk to no. Wala ako akong mga kapatid natin na mga MNLF. There was never an information or a bit of whatever to announce to us na nandito ka. So if we can stop the hostilities in the meantime, pati na yung NPA magtapos sa publikan of this day just to chika-chika. I think there are still some troops sa gobyerno na nandiyan pa sa inyo. Can I go to you again and ask for the freedom? May mga pulis pa sa Miss Oriental, I think dalawa. Isang sundalo sa Agusan. I could maybe visit you and itawa na lang ninyo lahat para umpisa ng usapan sa peace talk. Sabi naman ni, I don't know, there's the news that Joma is coming home. So by that time, I said, I cannot give you the invitation now because I am not the president and I cannot guarantee anything about the kind of conduct, or safety, pass, whatever. So yeah, maybe you can wait until the 30th of June. I would, by that time, I said, inshallah, Presidente ako that I can give you the letter inviting you to come over. So, yan lang ano. But I am here specifically to complain. Whoever is listening now, as a citizen, I said, of this country and the mayor or the local unit, magkasala na kayo na magkasala, wag talaga. Kayo mga pulis, putang ina ninyo. Bakit wala kayo doon? Baka pinayara kayo? Or baka kayo talaga ang nagbibil? Pagka ginawa mo yan, you make the sign of the cross. I'll finish it. I said dito sa what I have committed to do to the Filipino people. I will stake my honor, my life, and the presidency. Wala ko man, if I lose it tomorrow, I have no illusions about power. You just, I can go tomorrow, I can sinasabi ito. Pero, anak lang ako ng mahirap. Wala naman ako pinagyayabang sa mundo. Wala akong credentials. Hindi naman ako summa cum laude. Ang ibigay ko sa inyo, kalungkutan. I'll give you your family heartache. Pag nakuli ninyo ng pasa doon, my order is give everybody a heartache. Intindihan ninyo yan? Pagka hindi ka naintindihan, tarantado po ka, bobo pala ninyo. No business ninyo. Ganyan is shit. Failure of intelligence. Dapat kapag-umpisa pa lang, nandoon na kayo, nangangamoy na kayo. Tanging nakarami niyo dyan sa Maynila. Bakit kami magbayad ng sweldo ninyo kung gano'n? This time, every government worker must prove to the people that they deserve the salary. Kaya mga Presidente, ipakita kung talaga tama yung bayad ninyo sa sweldo ng salary. How much is the salary of a president? You know?
120,000.
120.
Alan?
120,000.
120,000 lang?
Pero tataas, magiging almost 400.
Kailan mo take effect? If I sign, na-sign na ni Pinoy,
Ito sa ready sign.
kasi kung ako ang mag-sign, hindi ako
Ito sa ready sign.
ay kung gano'n, mag-resign na ako. Ito, 120 lang.
Oh, it's almost 400.
So I'll tell you what I've experienced. I'm not demeaning the office of the president. Pero sa gusto mag-presidente ba ng araw, ito na ang sasabi ko. You wake up, maraming problema, you try to solve it. Some are solved, some you fail. You cannot give the solution. Then you sleep late, you work. You work, sleep late. Then pagka umaga, balik ka naman. Hindi pa ako presidente. Trabaho ka naman. Solve the problems, the problems that you can maybe telegraph the solution the agencies concerned. You know, I'm yet the president, but maybe you can prepare blah 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 blah. Tapos kain ka, tapos tulog ka. Tapos gising ka pagka umaga. 3 araw trabaho ka, wala kang tulog. Paglabas din sa newspaper, kung mga putang inanto, masama ka pa. Masama ka pa, then they try to know that you are pimping or ano mga animal nito, kala mo sila. When they are really prostituting also the mouthpiece of the oligarchy, you're pretending to be crusading media. Men, wala ka nang ginawa kung hindi tama. Every president, I never criticized only when it was really demanded at the moment because the drug problem was the drug flooding the country. And I have to call the attention of the president to say that maybe you can give time to this problem. Hinayaan nga kaya rin nagbaha. So in the rural areas, pumasok na rin sila. Yung mga anak ng mga farmer, pag hindi nakabayad, kinukuha yung karabaw, baka, from rural to, from urban to rural sila. Kaya naman yung mga employee kung nakikinig kayo, baka gusto na yung sumali rin sa laro. Dali mo lang yan. Papel lang ninyo, tapos tali ninyo sa kahoy lang. Maghanap ko lang ng kayo ng maraming audio for anti-Tagalog. Langgam kasi Bisaya, lumilipad eh. Ibon. Hanap kayo ng maraming langgam. Para somebody will eat the carcass. Ganon naman yun. That's the only language that you understand. Kasi huwag na lang tayo magbulahan Pilipinas, pati mga Pilipinas. Ganon tayo. We do not pretend the niceties of the civility. Hindi kayo nadadala ng ganong istorya. Dapat taputin kayo, tapos tukuha. Talagang iritan kayo. Ganon lang. Maghintay kayo. Dapat lang. Pero yung kayong those who are really connected with the task of, trying to be there to prevent crimes. Ang nangyari sa atin, crime solution. Patay tayo niyan. Kung ang pulis magpunta lang doon, sabihin mo lang kung sinong namatay, mag-resign na lang kayo. Marami namang aplikante. We are producing so many criminology graduates every year. Baka gusto na niyo mag-retire. Mas malaki pa siguro ang retirement benefit na. You have to justify, show to me and show to the Filipino people that you deserve this salary. That the people are paying. For else, what are you there for? Pag preloader ka, pakainin ka ng gobyerno para tumaba ka. Tapos, on design, nagsasyabaw kayo dyan. Pati kayo, July, July 1, mandatory lang. From the generals daw. At gusto ko yung bako ngayon, yung walang nag-ihi kasi tumatago kayo. Yung parang sa diabetes na pasok mo lang. Ano, depende na kung anong gulay maglabas. Yung galing sa Japan ang gusto kong bilhin. Kaya gusto ko mag-blood test ka dyan sa harap ko. Huwag na yung paihi kasi yung iba patago. Kung nabayaran mo yung nagbabantay, kasi malaki ang kita ninyo sa droga, you're earning millions. Noon, maka-jeep lang kayo yung gawa ng Cavite. Yung anong tawag ng yawa?
Saraw.
Parang Vitalik lahat. Nasa lubong mo, nasisilaw ka, kanong sino, pulis pala. Noon, kontento na kayo ng gano'n. Ngayon, wala na. Mansyon, pati paano kami naiwan? Wala mo kaming mansyon. Wala kaming Mercedes-Benz. Maingit ako. Pag maingit ako, patayin kita. Hindi tiro ako eh. Kayo naman taga-media. Davao Media, you tell these guys to sinabi ako na state of the whatever it is called. I will address the Republic of the Philippines after I take my oath of office. Sinabi ko yung state of the nation 5 minutes. Kung yung ipasa doon sa TV Patrol, TV Patrol na may lagay ka sa quota. Sino pong gagawang presidente mo 5 minutes? Huwag ninyo patulan yan. You know, if the answer is preposterous or ridiculous, try to whisper to the other guy dito sa tabi mo, sa Davao, ano ba ito? Sabihin sa iyo, loko na po. Talaga. Ako ay palabas-pasok ako sa bipolar kung ano, kung baga ano ba. One moment, medyo seryoso ako. Next moment, bibigyan ko, tatapunan ko kayo ng biro. Ito na mga kadla, lista-lista. O, sige. Yung presidente ba magbigay ng after inaugural speech mo, 5 minutes lang? I'll begin with, alam mo kung ano, coverage. Tingnan mo lang yung cabinet department. So, foreign affairs. So, I begin my talk by just saying, you know, in the global situation now, we find ourselves. Problem here, geopolitics. It's really purely geopolitics. The red, China Sea. Now we have a problem sa economy, but it is the other countries are suffering. Euro is very weak. Then what's next? Department of Justice. Ano sabihin ko ito? Department of Justice, may mga corrupt dyan ng mga prosecutor. Alam ko yan. Alam mo bakit galing ako sa prosecution? At noong na mayor ako, nakikita ko dito yung lahat ng cases for filing when it is appealed to the DOJ that it dismiss ang kaso. So this time, hindi ko basahin yung file. Babasahin ko yan on appeal tapos na-dismiss. Piskal ako. So, malaman ko kung dinadyamin mo yung Pilipino. But you are into corruption. I would know. I'm a fiscal, so pareho lang standard natin in arriving at the probable cause or a prima facie case, filing in court, or whether it merits a dismissal. Hindi mo maloko dyan. NBI, some, pumasok din pera sa kidnap or ransom. Hold ninyo ng tao ilang oras tapos i-release ninyo. Hindi niyo lahat yung mga biktima na yan, hindi mo travel here, relate to by the rules. Yung mga magsumbong yung tao. Immigration. Ang immigration, ang paborito niyo ang Hapon noon. Kasi Hapon, ayaw ng gulo. It's a make the, hindi naman teammate, but dito naman problem. Pero pag Koreano, hindi nila kaya. Kasi sumisigaw eh. Binubulisit ang Koreano, nagwawala. Tapos ang kaya ninyo, yung may hirap lang. Yung OFW. Kasi yung namang mga senador, congressman, pati ako, pag kinangkal mo yung, ano yan, alam mo, paing kita, mauntin naman, tigil mo sa akin, komplet. Ganon. So yung mga mahirap lang, sa lapat. Yung parking, dyan, umpisa na yan. Parking, sugar-sugar dyan. Oh, nakalive ako, mabuti. Para malaman nila yung ugali ko. Bakit ko tago yung mga mura ko? Kasali yun sa buhay ko. Pag nawala yung mura, matay na ako ibig sabihin. So, nirariya na. Hindi na dito. Meron ang lingwahe ko, that is my universal identity. Given by God. Ginawa ko ng Diyos na ito. Kaya kayo mga bishops, kung akong malitsi-litsi, punta kayo sa langit ko kayo magsumbong. Kaya akala ko, ginawa tayo ng Diyos lahat. Eh, palpak ang Diyos niya paggawa sa akin. Wala akong magawa. We are the creations of God. So, paano, how is it na ganito ako? The creation was not perfect. Baka may hindi sinunod ang Diyos na protocol. Hindi ako. Pinabwisit talaga ang kagaguhan ninyo. 5 patay. As you know, itong mga expert ng drugs, alam ninyo yung kasahanan doon kayo mga, maski yung mga disco-disco. Nandiyan yan sa banda. Nag-stay sa banda o hindi sa labas. Hindi naman ako nag-ano ng mga, not all. Pero karamihan dyan, natulog pa yung matay. Security guard. Yang long distance driving. Kaya pag ako ang presidente, number 1 is that before the trip, drug test mo. Bumabira na yan kasi walang tulugan eh. From Manila to give them away, you take the uppers. So mandatory yan. Lahat ng truck ng mga biyahe long distance and even to Bicol, lalo na ganito. Mandatory ang wala akong magawa. Drugs is everywhere. It's flooding the country. It has medyo it has created an aberration in the system of our lives. Very inclusive one. Pati sa mga pag ako, sa gobyerno. Pati ako. Kampon ako. So ako na. Ako pa kaya number 1? O di ako yung mauna. Yung plaka ng presidente, tapon na yun. Sa Dongpor na yun. Number 1 na plaka. Alam naman nila na saka yung mga cabinet members, no more.